sorry I'm late.
How can we?
Thank you. Thank you. I do.
Thank you. New dress? New
Yes,
dress?
it is. Yes, it is. How'd you know?
What just happened? What just happened?
Planning a trip.
Going to Europe. Going to Europe. School trip. School trip.
Get your passport. Need a passport, please. Mini toothpaste. Mini toothpaste. Pack your suit. Pack your suit.
I just want to go on my trip with my friend. Europe doesn't really need a friend like you. Spiderman.
Therefore, I have value. I'm messing with you. You look pretty too.
I just want to spend some time with MJ. Why should you? My first time. I just finished my phone call.
So nice to finally meet you. Spiderman.
Here, Nick Fury.
Some clothes on. Let's go for a ride.
Is he gonna be okay like that?
Might want to turn him over so he doesn't swallow his tongue.
Nick Fury just hijacked our summer vacation.
Awesome. Got gifts, Marcus. But we have a job to do. Are you going to step up? Friends are in trouble. What are you gonna do about it?
You don't want any part of this.
He's like Iron Man rolled into one.
He's no Spider-Man.
What is it with you and Spiderman?
He looks out for the neighborhood, has a dope suit, and I really respect him. What's up, dickwad?